Which is the longest river in India? Answer is D. Ganga. The Tropic of Cancer passed through how many Indian states? Answer is 8. Which is the highest peak in India? Answer is B. Mount Kanchenjunga. Which river is also called the Sorrow of Bihar? Answer is A. Kosi River. Western Ghats are also known as? Answer is C. Sahyadri. Which plateau lies between the Aravalli and Vindhya range? Answer is A. Malwa Plateau. Which river originates from the Amarkantak Plateau? Answer is B. Narmada. Which river is called the Dakshin Ganga? Answer is C. Godavari. Which of the following passes connect Srinagar and Leh? Answer is D. Zojila Pass. What is the main tributary of Indus River? Answer is A. Jhelum. Which river is called the Ganga of the South? Answer is B. Kaveri. Which region is famous for black cotton soil in India? Answer is B. Deccan Plateau. Which city is known as Manchester of India? Answer is A. Ahmedabad. In which state is the Chilika Lake situated? Answer is D. Odisha. Which state is the largest producer of coffee in India? Answer is B. Karnataka. Which Indian city is also called the City of Lakes? Answer is C. Udaipur. The Coromandel coast lies along which sea? Answer is B. Bay of Bengal. Which mountain range separate the Indo-Gangetic Plain and the Deccan Plateau? Answer is C. Vindhya Range. Which river flows through the city of Agra? Answer is C. Yamuna. In which state is the Desert National Park located? Answer is D. Rajasthan. In which state is the Valley of Flowers located? Answer is A. Uttarakhand. Which region is famous for laterite soil in India? Answer is B. Western Ghats. In which state is the Loktak Lake located? Answer is C. Manipur. Which dam is built on the river Sutlej? Answer is the Bhakra Dam. Which Indian state has the largest forest cover? Answer is C. Madhya Pradesh. Where is the Run of Kutch located? Answer is B. Gujarat. Which Indian desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert?
Kung kiba rocky book
Answer is A. Thar Desert.
Tada pisu tamat snob ha ban like that subscribe.